Hello everyone. I, Brinda Agrawal, welcomes you all to the next session of Career Counseling Program with EduBound. Today we have with us Mr. Vansh Agrawal, जो कि अभी अपनी स्टडीज आईआईटी रुड़की से कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। वो हमें बताएंगे कि आगे इंजीनियरिंग के अगर कोर्स आपको परस्यू करना है तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं और उसके क्या क्या ब्रांचेस हैं, क्या एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स हैं, क्या प्रोसेस है और क्या क्या बैकअप प्लान्स कर सकते हैं आप। Hello Vansh, thank you for accepting our invitation.
Sure, my pleasure. हाँ, तो जैसे उन्होंने बताया कि आई एम करंटली परस्यूइंग माय इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम आईआईटी रुड़की। तो इंजीनियरिंग का सफर कहाँ स्टार्ट होता है? इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम टेकिंग साइंस स्ट्रीम इन 11th क्लास। तो जैसा कि सबने सुन रखा होगा कि पेरेंट्स अच्छे नंबर आते हैं 10th में एंड पेरेंट्स का जनरल इंक्लिनेशन रहता है कि साइंस ले ले बेटा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है साइंस ले ले। तो ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं वो आपको मैं इस वीडियो में क्लियर करने की ट्राई करूंगा कि व्हाई साइंस टेकिंग साइंस इज अ बेटर ऑप्शन दैन what all its good things will cover those things in this video. So after taking science in our exam for engineering, basically you have to clear the major entrance exam. And in India, the major entrance exam for engineering is JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. For the entrance examination, that is entrance for almost all the engineering colleges. And some of the other colleges, they take their own entrance test, like VIT Vellore, it has its own, BITSAT, BITS Pilani. These there are a few private colleges that take their own test, but most of the colleges in India, approximately 80-90%, have their take entrance of the students from these JEE exam only. Also, there are some regional exams.
JEE
not only JEE,
JEE ही एग्जाम होता है जो कि मेजर बच्चे को करना है, देना है.
The major target of a student while he starts his preparation from the class 11th is JEE. And apart from JEE, he also gives other exams like COMEDK, BITSAT, VIT, EEE for other options. If not JEE, then you also have many other exams that you have to give, like regional exams like COMEDK, it's for Karnataka, all the colleges for Karnataka. So similarly, and we have WBJE for West Bengal Colleges of Engineering. So these are other exams that one can give apart from JEE, so that he could open a wide variety of colleges for himself. But yeah, the major focus of obviously all the students in class 11, 12 is JEE as IIT, the benchmark that is set for all.
Okay.
So that's the preparation. That's the major exams that one has to prepare for. Coming to the syllabus of these exams, it's the basic 11th, 12th PCM, physics, chemistry, maths. These are the only three subjects that are being asked. Some private colleges also ask English and basic mental maths, like general knowledge of maths, that is completing the series, 3, 5. So what's next? That type of questions, and English some part of English. So this is only for some private colleges, but in JEE, they do not ask all these. It's only physics, chemistry, and maths. And it's not like English is a mandatory for doing engineering. Now, JEE is also available in many regional languages as well. So language is not going to be a barrier for you if you are preparing for any of these exams. So that's the syllabus, like physics, chemistry, and maths of 11th and 12th. For JEE Mains, I think the CBSE level plus the exemplar level, that would cover approximately JEE Mains. And for advanced, definitely have to study other books like H.C. Verma for physics, and books you will get to know as you start your coaching, or if you do whatever you are preparing, then you will get to know.
तो कोचिंग नेसेसरी है, मतलब हमें कोचिंग करनी पड़ेगी जेई अगर पेपर देना है तो उसके लिए.
You might know that JEE Advanced is the world's tough, it comes in the world's toughest examinations. So definitely, I don't think a person can be so much genius that he could solve everything on his own. He needs guidance at some point of time. So joining a coaching, first of all, will give you a timetable and a schedule, when to cover your syllabus with the pace of what pace you have to move so that you could cover your syllabus fast. If you're joining a coaching, you will be able to complete. You will be completing your syllabus till the month of October. They will be wrapping up your syllabus, and board exams comes in March, and after that there's JEE Advanced. So they give you ample amount of time to revise, practice, and you have flow is maintained for you to prepare continuously. So I think that's very important. Time is very much important. And also there's one myth, they have to study for 16 hours a day or 15 hours a day, so much to clear JEE. That's not true. Exactly, that's not true. I won't say that it's completely worthless, but yeah, that's not necessary. Like if you are consistent, consistency is the key for this examination. I would definitely say that if you are studying 4 hours a day, that 4 hours a
I
day, if you are
guess ये
studying
सारे
regularly,
examination के लिए
yeah,
I guess ये सारे examination के लिए same चीज है कि consistency is the key.
yeah, for JEE as well, consistency is the only key. Like if you're studying like 5 to 6 hours or 4 hours a day, just continue it to the 2 hours, and definitely that will reap you some results and good results. That's for sure. So that's for the preparation cycle. Like, yeah, it's a bit hectic for a student of who has just cleared 10th class. But yeah, you will definitely enjoy the journey as well, like that preparation stage of 2 years. And after that, when you will come to the college, you will definitely see the worth of it. Like the more you did hard work in your 11th and 12th, the more will be, better will be your college. And the better the college is. So that's an obvious thing that if you are in a good college, then their average placements are obviously higher. Like that's true. So you will be able to enjoy a college life more. So like you have 2 years in your preparation and 4 years in your college. If you give these 2 years, dedicate these 2 years, so you will enjoy these 4 years. And if you somehow not give full amount of yourself into that preparation, then definitely your these 4 years will suffer a bit, but not very much. There will not be any major difference. Like it's not that only tier one college students like IIT students crack good packages. Like if you are from, if are not from IIT as well, then also there are equal opportunities. Like nowadays, skill sets matter a lot. Only few companies are there, or very much, it's very few that the tag works. The tag definitely works, but not every time. That's not 100%. If IIT tag is like 30-40% to your career, rest is your skill set. If you are having a good skill set, then you will definitely grow. If you just join a company with the tag, they will see you, and ultimately they will pay you if you are good for them, if you are an asset for them. If you are just for their, just by the tag of IIT, and you are not able to work what they want from you, the outcome you cannot give, so definitely they are going to kick you off. But if you are from a lower college as well and you have the skill set, so definitely you are an asset for him, and they will definitely pay you more, and your career growth will be according to your skills only. So initially, a good college provides you a platform to kickstart your career, but at the long run, your skills matter. That's what I would like to say.
Yeah, that is true.
So coming to
So
like,
now I would like, yeah,
coming to like,
you
if
can
you are
continue, sir.
yeah, like if you are not able to, like if you are taken science, obviously your marks, good marks, and your parents have take science, and then you get to know that no, engineering is not my cup of tea, you don't want to do in engineering. So the thing that I was saying in the start of the video, like why all the parents say like go for science if you are not having any interest. So that's the reason is that you can opt for any field that you want if you are having science. Like the basic requirement for any entrance test or any college is maths. That's like for most of the courses. So in science, you have the maths. So you can apply for all the commerce courses. Like you can go for BBA, you can go for IPMAT. IPMAT is like a program integrated BBA and MBA course that is launched by IIMs. Like IIM Indore and IIM Rohtak have started it, and other IIMs will soon follow on. So these are the career, like in commerce fields, you can go also like in sciences only. Like if you don't want to pursue BTech, you can go for B architecture, you can go for fashion designing, like after clearing NEFT exam, you can go for law. Like you do not have any boundary. Like if you have taken, say you have taken commerce, so then you are missing out the opportunity to do BTech. If you think like after taking commerce, I can if you want to do BTech, then you are restricted that you cannot do BTech. But if you are having the science stream, then you are not restricted by anything. Like you can pursue any field that you want, be it a BBA, be it arts field, be it any field. You can do anything except obviously except medical. That requires biology for sure. But yeah, most of the fields like they require just maths. And obviously for taking science stream, the basic aptitude of the person increases. So you will be having an ace to other students definitely because of your mental growth by the curriculum of the class 12, class 11, 12 science stream.
जो हार्ड वर्क पुट करते हैं साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स 11th-12th के स्टेज में, वो एक अपर हैंड दे देगा आफ्टर एन एज.
Yeah, definitely.
सो हमारे को बैकअप प्लान्स वगैरह पता चल गए. एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स में जो इंजीनियरिंग के ब्रांचेस होते हैं उसके बारे में अगर आप बता पाए कि उसका क्या प्रोसेस होता है, अगर केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में जाना हो या सीएस में जाना हो तो वो क्या होता है, मतलब वो भी जेईई के थ्रू ही होता है या उसके रैंक का में क्या फर्क है, ये सब चीजें.
लाइक इसमें जो जितने भी ब्रांचेस होते हैं, लाइक इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में बहुत सारे टाइप की इंजीनियरिंग होती है, बीटेक इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, बीटेक इन मैकेनिकल, सिविल. So like it's a hierarchy of branches and they have ranked the hierarchy. Like computer science comes to the top, then electrical, then you will come to mechanical, then civil. Like they have ranked according to the hierarchy. That ranking is basically on the packages and that sort of thing. But if you are going to any core field, that should be particularly based on your interest. Like if you are having an interest in a particular engineering, like you are having electrical engineering as an interest, then you should pursue it. But like mostly students just opt, like I would say 99% of the students in my college as well are in the branches just because of their ranks. Like as if there is no specific interest of the any person, like I want to be a civil engineer. I haven't find any person like that till now in my college, at least. And obviously, like if you are not want to do BTech or anything else, like then you can anyways follow your passion. That's last option. Or if you are having any passion from your childhood, then you can definitely pursue that as well along with it. Like it's not only the curriculum of the college. That's the freedom that you get in an engineering college for sure.
Okay, and what about the ranking? Like it's on the basis of ranking given the exam you give in JE. Is that the only basis you will get the branches in engineering, right?
Yeah, that's the only criteria for that. Like it's not that you could send an email like, sir, please, I'm interested in this branch very much. Please get me in. Like that's not happening. It's just basis of your rank only.
Okay. So I guess we have covered all the questions, like all the basic concepts of engineering, pursuing a course of engineering. So if any students would have any doubt, they would tell us in the comment section. And yes, if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. Thank you, sir, for coming and joining in. I hope you to see in for architecture as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
I'll take a goodbye now. Thank you. Bye.